For my next video, I'd like to do one on how to make your fingerprint more accurate and faster, both of them at the same time. So it's kind of a hack, more or less. It's not really a switch or anything. It's a real simple way to do this, and this will work on all Galaxies. In fact, probably all other phones, all other tablets, any other phone, even manufacturer. If you want to make it faster, if it allows it to, you can do this hack, or whatever you'd like to call it, thing to make your phone faster and more accurate. So let's dig right in. First thing we want to do is go to your settings and go to security and privacy, and then lock screen biometrics, type a code in, and then we want to go to fingerprints. So right now I only have one fingerprint added in. We'll do check fingerprint, and yep, there it is. Okay, now the trick behind this is to add a second fingerprint, but with this one, more of your basic locations. So not like on its side or upside down or anything weird, just kind of your normal, everyday, up and down, putting your thumb, say if it's your thumb, just putting it straight up and down, and keep doing that until it reads all of them. So let's just show you how to do this. So add fingerprint. I have one done. So we're going to add a fingerprint. We're going to register it. And then there's one, another one, and these are just straight up and down. I'm not really moving them around. You do want one that's moved around, like on its left side, its right side, its edge. You know what I'm talking about, all the different ways, so it can read that as well. But this one, the fast one I call it, is just to help with basic recognition and getting your fingerprint or thumbprint, however you want to call it, into the system so it reads faster. Okay, so we're done here. So now check fingerprint. It's going to read one, and it's just reading one, the first one, but I have them both set in there. So let's turn this off and hope I don't stop the recording. And of course it stopped the recording. I can't really show you how fast that this has made it, but it makes it extremely faster. Just think of it this way. It has two fingerprints to read, one basic and one more complex with more movements in it. So therefore it's going to get all the different ways you put your finger on the fingerprint reader. So it's much faster in how it works and how it functions. And again, let's just go into it. You want to go into the lock screen and your fingerprints, and now as it shows I have two different ones. So I doubt if 3 really makes much of a difference. I've always read 2 is what makes the bigger difference, because you have the one fingerprint that's basic and the one fingerprint that's more in depth with the different angles. Try it. Maybe try 3. Let me know if 3 makes it even faster. I'd be all up on doing 3 if that works. So I hope you found my video to be helpful. Thank you for being here. Please click like and subscribe to my video. Leave me a comment down below. Thank you for your time, and until next time, I'm out.